Intro. What's up, family? This is Tossie, founder of Tossie Advisory Group. If you're new to the stock market, welcome. You're in the right place. Every successful investor you see today started exactly where you are right now. Confused, curious, trying to figure it out. And today, I'm honored to guide you on this journey toward financial discipline, financial confidence, financial freedom. This is your stock market for beginners. Ultimate guide. Take your time. Watch this in pieces if you need to. Subscribe and grow with us. Let's get to work. Why you should invest. First question, why should you even invest? Because investing is one of the most proven ways to build wealth. Historically, the stock market has returned around 10% per year over decades. It recovers from crashes. It grows with the economy, just like real estate. Homes went from $3,000, $30,000, $120,000, $400,000 plus. Stocks do the same. Inflation pushes prices up, but smart investing beats inflation. Your money should be working, not sleeping. What is a stock? Let me break it down simple. A stock is ownership. When you buy a stock in Apple, Microsoft, Tesla, you own part of the company. Small piece? Yes. Real ownership? Also yes. Companies sell shares to raise money. You become a partner. That's it. How to start investing. To invest, you need a brokerage account, a bank transfer, a plan. You open an account, move money in, buy quality companies. That's it. No commissions, no hidden fees. When companies make profit, you can get price growth dividends, passive income, and you can sell anytime. Full control. 4 investing styles. There are 4 main styles. 1, buy and hold, long-term. Years, decades, set it, forget it. Grow. 2, traders buy and sell frequently. High skill, high risk. Not for beginners. 3, speculators, small risky companies. Big upside, big losses. Danger zone. 4, dividend investors, buy income-paying stocks. Get paid regularly. My favorite for building wealth. You can combine styles, but know your lane. Best stocks for beginners. As a beginner, start with stable companies. Large, established, reliable. Not hype stocks, not lottery tickets. Learn first, then expand. And remember, you're an investor, not a gambler. Index funds and ETFs. If you don't want to pick stocks, use index funds or ETFs. They own hundreds of companies at once. Example, S&P 500 fund equals 500 companies. Benefits, diversification, low fees, less stress, proven returns. Downside, you won't beat the market. Less flexibility, but for most people, it works. ETF versus index fund. Quick breakdown. Index fund. Buys, sells at end of day. May have minimums. ETF. Trades like stock. More flexible. Better tax structure. My opinion? ETFs are the upgraded version. Both are solid. How to read a stock. Yahoo Finance. When researching a stock, look at price volume, market cap, 52-week range, dividend earnings, date, chart news, financials. High volume is easy to trade. Low volume equals danger. Leadership matters. Revenue growth matters. Debt matters. Do your homework. 10 terms you must know. 1, bull market. Uptrend. 2, bear market. Downtrend. 3, QE, money printing. 4, QT, money removal. 5, shorting, betting down. 6, dead cat bounce, fake recovery. 7, don't fight the Fed. 8, DCA, dollar cost averaging. Tax loss, harvesting support and resistance. Learn the language. It saves money. How to find good stocks. 2 steps. Step 1, discovery use. Screeners, news, reports, research sites. Step 2, evaluation check. Revenue, profits, debt, growth, leadership. Chart. Never buy blindly. Do your own research. Brokerage accounts. Most major brokers are fine. Zero fees. Good apps. Good support. Use trusted names. Don't overthink it. Taxes. Very important. You only pay taxes when you sell. Short term, under 1 year. High taxes. Long term, over 1 year. Lower taxes. Big difference. Dividends and interest are taxable. Your broker sends you a 1099 in February. Use it. Don't ignore taxes. Losses and tax deductions. If you lose money, you get deductions. Up to $3,000 per year. Losses carry forward. It's not fun, but it's part of learning. Retirement accounts bonus. Inside IRAs and 401ks. No taxes until withdrawal. Great for long-term wealth. Use them. Final message. Let me leave you with this. Wealth is not built overnight. It's built slowly, consistently, intentionally. Start small. Stay disciplined. Stay educated. Stay patient. This is how families change generations. Outro. If this helped you, like, subscribe, share, comment your questions. This is Tossie Advisory Group. We don't gamble. We build. I'm David Tossie. Happy investing. Stay disciplined.